Life Lesson 11. I've added this series to the highlights so that you can easily find them. Life Lessons 10 and 11 are tied together. 10 is about listening to your body and 11 is about talking to your body. Yes, giving it thanks for operating, for working, for functioning, thanking the body for seeing, for hearing, for tasting, for holding, for touching, for walking, for moving, for sleeping, for those of us who can. Love and appreciate your body. Give it compliments. Stop putting all of your focus on needing to lose those extra pounds or the wrinkles or the cellulite or the shape of your nose, the double chin, the grey hairs, or whatever it is that you are nitpicking about. Stop constantly criticizing and complaining about your body, about yourself. The negativity and stress will age you and deplete you and drain you of energy and life force. Every day, speak kindly and lovingly to your body. Smile at your organs. This sends love to them, which promotes healing and strengthens them. If you have pain, an injury or illness, speak to it. For example, say I have knee pain. I can ask it, the pain, what's going on? Speak to me. Let the pain in the knee express itself to you. You can ask the pain, how old are you? Let it answer. It may be 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12. Then ask it what happened at that age. Let it show you or tell you what happened. Then you acknowledge what happened. I'm sorry that happened. I'm sorry you experienced that. Let's release it from the knee. Ask what emotion is being held in the knee, in the pain. Ask what negative or limiting belief is stuck in the pain, in the knee. Let the pain answer. Let it show you or tell you. Then you acknowledge and say, okay, we are releasing that emotion or those emotions. We're releasing that negative limiting belief from this knee. And if it's something that you believe, you can also ask the knee pain to show you what traumas are stuck in the knee from other lifetimes. You may see it in your mind's eye, or you may hear it in your mind's ear. You may feel it, you may sense it, you may just know it. Once you are shown or told, again, just release that from the knee by saying, let's release that from the knee. You can ask the knee what it needs. You can ask the pain, what do you need? Listen to the answer. It may just be one word. Get used to having a two-way conversation with your body, with the pain or injury or illness. Then finish it by saying, thank you for letting me know. Thank you for speaking with me. Thank you for expressing yourself. I love you. Send it love. This is how you learn to gradually love and heal your body. Criticizing, shaming, complaining, being disgusted with your body can bring on injuries, illness, and dis-ease. And when you're injured or ill, sick, not accepting the situation or hating the situation not only makes your suffering unbearable, but it will cause you to be stuck in that injury or illness for a lot longer than you need to be. You prolong and delay the healing process. So practice asking your body what it is holding on to, what is stuck in the body, in that pain, illness, injury, or tension. If you're not injured, if you're not in pain, if you're not ill, just scan your body for any tension that you're holding on to, and you can do the same thing. Practice talking to your body every day and thank it, appreciate it for functioning.